I bought some mint leaves. I believe these are spearmint leaves, spearmint herb. I'll be making a tea, a mint tea today, in a teapot, pouring hot water over the herb. Never boil this kind of tea. It's an infusion where you pour hot water over the leaves. Yes, they do definitely taste like spearmint. This teapot holds about 4.5 cups of water. I'll be putting the tea leaves into the teapot. You use about 5 to 10 leaves, or like a handful for 2 cups. 2 cups of boiling water. So this is about 4.5 teacups, I would say. Let's see. Let's add some more. Oh, we bought these yesterday. I used to have them in my garden. Oh, you like the smell of spearmint? I would add about, yeah, just about like this. And that'll be fine. The water is boiling. You can add a splash of whole milk to your tea, or you can just add sugar or honey, even lemon juice, or just drink it plain, like I mostly do. The water is boiling now. We'll be adding the hot water to the mint leaves. Turning the water off. We let it steep for about 5 to 8 minutes. It depends how strong you like it. You wonder what this is in my hair here? Well, these are the spearmint leaves. I just made the tea. So, I'm going to pour some tea now. Let's taste the tea. Spearmint. You can use any kind of mint. Peppermint is good, spearmint, or chocolate mint, whatever you choose. Spearmint tea. I hope you have something good to drink today. Maybe something hot in this cold weather. Oh, it's hot. I love spearmint tea with sugar in it. Usually I do not put lemon in mine. I like to just not put lemon in mine. Silly me. what I look like now. I'm the spearmint queen. How do you like it? I'm the spearmint queen. That would be a beautiful name. There, put it in there. All you need is like sugar cubes. I love to put sugar cubes in my tea, like I used to do in Germany. I hope you're doing okay today. I love you, my friends. And I hope you have a good day. Bye. Till next time.